In a normal, healthy heart, both atria contract simultaneously and both ventricle contract simultaneously. There is no delay in contraction of left ventricle and right ventricle. Both contract simultaneously, both atria contract simultaneously. But let's suppose if there is a bundle branch, either left bundle branch or right bundle branch. So if there is block in the left bundle branch, let's take an example. If the bundle branch that is going in the left side of the ventricle, in the left ventricle is blocked, so left ventricle is not receiving impulses immediately. In fact, in normal healthy heart, it should receive impulse first, then right ventricle. Why left ventricle should receive impulse first, then right ventricle? Because left ventricular wall is thicker, right, compared to right ventricle, so it needs to spread current throughout the left ventricle, right? So it takes time. That's why left bundle branch conducts faster, goes faster than right bundle branch. Let's suppose the left bundle branch is degenerated, either due to age related or due to ischemia. Left bundle branch is not functioning. So since left bundle branch is not functioning, left ventricle is not receiving current from the left bundle branch. So what happens, that right ventricle contracts, but left ventricle has not received current sufficiently. So current from right ventricle goes to the left ventricle through the interventricular septum. So there is dysynchrony in contraction between these two ventricles. So right ventricle contracts, but left ventricle has not contracted. Now it's contracted. So right ventricle contracts, but left ventricle now contracts. So both ventricles do not contract simultaneously. Either in right bundle branch also same occurs. Right ventricular contraction is delayed. Left ventricle contracts initially and then right ventricle contracts. So there is dysynchrony between the contraction of these two ventricles. So what is the effect of this? So generally, let's suppose the right bundle branch is blocked and right ventricle is contracting slowly compared to left ventricle. Like left ventricle contracted, right ventricle is now contracting. So it does not cause much symptoms because blood will back up in the venous side. But let's suppose there is delay in contraction of the left ventricle, then what happens? Blood is backing up the pulmonary circulation. This can lead to symptoms of pulmonary edema. So if there is left bundle branch block, generally patient can become symptomatic. It is not always symptomatic, but can become symptomatic. Can have shortness of breath, paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea, orthopnea. So that's why they place a device called CRT, cardiac resynchronization therapy, that again synchronizes the contraction of the two ventricles together. So they place lead in both ventricles, in left ventricle, right ventricle, and that lead fires, both lead fires simultaneously. So simultaneously both ventricle contracts, right? So that is called CRT, to synchronize the both ventricular contraction together.